Hey, welcome back, SemiPro Outdoors Adventurers. We've been doing a lot on the boat. We don't want to neglect our trailer because it's so important, because without the trailer, we can't get it back and forth to the water. Unfortunately, where we're at, we're kind of landlocked. So it's been a while since we've put some effort and kind of tuned some things up on this. So we're going to go through and do a lot of these little jobs that you need to do to keep your trailer in full running order. Granted, this trailer is old, it's homemade, there's a lot of little tweaks, so we're going to be rust-proofing it, we're going to be updating the wiring, we're going to be using a lot of duct tape. So here we go. One of the first things we want to do is we want to try and end some of this rust that's going on in our springs and in our axles. So we're going to do it the old-fashioned way, with a little elbow grease and aluminum foil to scrape off the old rust. And then we're going to put a little coat of Rust-Oleum on there to hopefully insulate it a little bit from corrosion. All right, so we scrubbed off as much rust as possible. It's tough, old trailer. But next step, we're going to cover some of this up and hopefully stop some of the rusting with the Undercoat spray paint. Unfortunately, it doesn't work for like inside the boat, we found out, because sitting out in hot Florida sun, it just peels off. But we're going to try and use this for what we were supposed to use it. All right, so the next step is we got to make our trailer road legal again. Not pointing any fingers, you know, shit happens when a boat sits for a long time, but I got to replace the 4-point cord on the wiring so that I'm actually road legal and I won't get pulled over for not using a turn signal. So to do that, I found a Reese tow power 4-point plug. It looks like it's really easy to install, which is why I picked it, and it was cheap. And so we're gonna see if this works, and then we'll have blinkers and brake lights, and people will know when we're trying to stop. Green wire is right turn and stop. Yellow wire, left turn and stop. The brown wire is the tail lights, and the white wire is the ground. All right, so this baby's ready for the road. Our next trip is gonna be on the water. We're gonna have some adventures. Don't forget, follow along. We'll still be doing more. Now we're gonna just kind of keep strapping on toys, putting on whatever we think is cool. So follow us at SemiPro Outdoors on all the channels, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all of that. And until next time, we'll see you later.